Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to change YouTube screen back to normal using a simple and quick method you can follow step by step. First, open Google on your browser and type Chrome Web Store into the search bar to find the place where Chrome extensions are available. Next, click on the very first link that appears, which should be chromewebstore.com, the official site for all Chrome extensions. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top and type YouTube Redux to find the extension that helps revert YouTube's layout. Click on the YouTube Redux extension from the list, which will open a page showing its features and the option to add it to your browser. Now click on Add to Chrome, which is the blue button you'll see, so you can start installing the extension on your browser. When a small pop-up appears, click on Add Extension to confirm the installation, which will allow YouTube Redux to work properly. After the installation is complete, simply open a new tab, go to youtube.com, and you'll see your YouTube screen back to the classic, normal layout. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more simple and helpful tech guides.